You've seen it. That quiet tap on the hood of a Porsche just before the papers are signed. The forums call it a good luck charm, a final ritual before a six-figure capital deployment. But the truth has nothing to do with luck. It's about forensics. We found that the real tap isn't a superstition. It's a test, and it's the one thing that can expose a seller's biggest secret and save you from a catastrophic financial mistake. The myth. Porsche commands a certain mystique. Owning one is a goal for many, and with any high-value asset, myths tend to follow. The one we investigated was the Porsche hood tap. The story goes that a buyer, right before finalizing a deal that costs more than a small house, gives the hood a firm tap. Some say it's for luck, a nod to the engineers, a prayer to ward off future service bills. It's a great story. It fits the brand's image perfectly. The problem is, it's not true. Our investigation started online, scouring the archives of Renlist, YouTube, and Instagram. And what did we find? Nothing. No tradition. No old-timers talking about the good luck tap. The absence of evidence was total. We did find that some drivers tap their roof to warn oncoming enthusiasts about police ahead, a signal borrowed from motorcyclists. An interesting piece of community language, but not what we were looking for. We were about to call the whole thing a myth. Then we found the first clue.
Clue number 1. The accidental ritual. The first clue wasn't a ritual, it was a feature. On Porsche 911s from the 991 generation, there's a keyless entry function for the front trunk, the frunk. It's called Easy Access. Here's how it works. With the key in your pocket, a specific sweeping motion over the Porsche crest pops the latch. A salesperson demonstrating this looks like a magician. A buyer trying to copy it might not get the sweep right and just give the hood a light tap instead. Tap. Thunk. The frunk opens. Suddenly, a connection is made in the brain. Tap the hood, something happens. An observer sees this, sees a purchase happening, and connects the dots with the wrong logic. They assume it's superstition because that's the only story that makes sense for a six-figure asset. That's the soft answer, a simple misunderstanding of technology. But it's not the real story, because the tap that smart money uses has nothing to do with opening the frunk. It's about exposing a lie.
The real secret. The tap is a forensic audit. For a savvy buyer, the tap isn't a gesture, it's an interrogation. And it's not done with their hand, it's done with a tool. The paint thickness gauge, or PTG. This device is the ultimate truth teller. It does one thing with total objectivity. It measures the thickness of the paint on every body panel. And in those numbers, the car's entire history is written. Its accidents, its repairs, its financial exposure. Here's the principle. A factory Porsche paint job is consistently between 3.5 and 5.0 mils, or about 90 to 130 microns. A smart buyer has these numbers memorized. When a car is wrecked and repaired, a body shop almost never hits that factory number. Dents are filled with body filler, Bondo. Scratches are resprayed. Both add thickness. So the tap a real expert performs is the quiet click of a PTG on every single panel. Click, hood. Click, fender. Click, door. They're building a data map of the car and they're looking for one thing: inconsistency. If the roof reads 4.5 mils, but the fender reads 9 mils, that's a massive red flag. It tells you the fender has been repainted. If it reads over 30 mils, you've found Bondo. Thick body filler hiding what was likely a significant impact. The PTG tap is how you tell a pristine car from a wrecked one with a clean Carfax. If you're finding this useful and want more cheat codes that save you from big financial hits, do us a favor and tap the subscribe button. It's the one tap that's guaranteed to bring you value.
A masterclass in microns. Why does this matter so much? 2 words: value and integrity. A Porsche 911 is a collector's item. Its value is tied to its originality. A pristine, no stories 911 GT3 might have a market value of $200,000. If that PTG finds a repainted fender, the value doesn't drop by a few $100s. It takes a $20,000 hit instantly.
If it finds heavy Bondo from a prior collision, you could be looking at a $40,000 to $50,000 loss on a car you haven't even bought yet. The seller might forget to mention it. The history report might be clean. The paint gauge never lies. That 5-minute audit can expose a $50,000 secret. Here's the cheat sheet. You start by getting a baseline on the roof, the panel least likely to be damaged. Let's say it's 4.5 mils. That's your control number. 4 to 6 mils, 100 to 150 microns, this is your factory baseline, the green light. 7 to 10 mils, 175 to 250 microns, this is a respray, a cosmetic fix maybe, but it's been painted outside the factory. This is a yellow light. Start asking questions. 10 to 30 mils, 250 to 750 microns, you're seeing filler, more than just paint. This is a serious red flag. 30 plus mils, over 750 microns, this is the danger zone. That's not hiding a scratch, it's hiding a wreck. This is where you walk away. This test is your first line of defense. It lets you kill a bad deal before you ever spend money on a full mechanical inspection.
The real ritual. Data over stories. This brings us back to the idea of a ritual. The good luck tap is a myth, but the methodical PTG audit has become the real ritual for smart buyers. It's not a ritual of superstition, it's a ritual of science. It separates the casual fan from the serious investor. In a world of digital reports that can be manipulated and sellers who tell good stories, the physical act of touching the car with a tool and getting back hard data is incredibly powerful. It reduces the anxiety of a high-stakes purchase. It replaces fear with certainty. In the end, the myth led us to a more critical truth. The real ritual of the Porsche buyer isn't a hopeful tap for good luck. It's a deliberate test for truth. It's an admission that in the world of high-end cars, you don't hope for luck, you make your own by trusting data, not stories. And you do it by understanding that a car's most expensive secret is written in microns on its own skin. So the mystery is solved. The Porsche hood tap is a myth born from a misunderstanding of a keyless feature, blended with a real diagnostic test and amplified by the brand's mystique. But the truth is far more practical and infinitely more valuable. The next time you see someone methodically touching every panel of a Porsche, you'll know exactly what's happening. They aren't praying for luck, they're manufacturing certainty. They aren't performing a superstition, they're conducting a forensic audit. The real secret isn't a tap for luck, it's a test for truth. And now you know the cheat code. Use it, and you'll never look at buying a used car the same way again. If you want to learn more secrets that put you ahead of the dealer, subscribe now and tell us in the comments what car myth you think we should break down next. Thanks for watching.